Welcome JVs, my name is Demetrius and I'm an affiliate marketer and internet marketer, as you probably know. And usually I love creating products based on my own results, products that are evergreen. And in this specific page that you're on, we're talking about something that I've been testing around for the past 6 to 8 months, where I've seen major results, massive profits from NFT flipping and NFT holding for passive incomes. So what I have inside NFTs Cracked is for your subscribers to basically go through my premium training, step-by-step over-the-shoulders training, showing you the exact steps where I'm able to discover rare NFT images from collections where I can purchase them at the lowest price ever. We're talking about the lowest, we're talking about $11 max, minimum, okay? So $11 was able to bring me over $20,400 in Solana. Now, I was able to break this through finding these collections, specific collections, holding them for a few months till they became profitable, and then I was able to flip them for really good money. I was also able to get free NFTs where I was able to flip for even more profit. So really, this course is based on my own personal experiences, which you can see below. And it's a step-by-step over-the-shoulders training, taking you by the hand, showing you everything somebody needs to know and getting the feet wet with NFTs. Somebody that's brand new. I was brand new not even 8 months ago, but I was able to make some really good profits from it. And it's a really good business to be part of right now, as it's grown. It's a big craze, and I don't think it's going anywhere. So, my name is Demetrius. Thank you for being here and wanting to promote NFTs Cracked. I hope you get your links and understand that this is something that anybody can get started. So you can use any angle as you wish, but it's more directed to the newbie user trying to get into the crypto-driven NFT space. Thank you again, and I hope I'll see you on the leaderboards. Peace out.